Okay, Martha, let's talk about English and Tagalog, okay? So, can you speak English? And can you speak also Tagalog? Okay. So, what is the Tagalog of dog?
Aso.
Wow, good job. What is the Tagalog of cat?
Pusa.
What is the Tagalog of bird? Ibon.
Ibon.
What is the Tagalog of house?
Bahay.
Bahay. What is the Tagalog of spoon?
Tinitor.
No.
Ay,
Ku?
kutsara.
Kutsara. What is the Tagalog of fork?
Tinidor.
Tinidor. What is the Tagalog of glass?
Paso.
Baso.